malamig talaga siya, guys. Ayan na, ang ganda ng views natin. So ito yung square nila. Alam nyo ba guys, isa sa pinakasikat dito is yung pesto nila, which is yung pesto sauce dito nang simula sa Genova. Yung mga structure designs ng mga buildings nila, it's more on Baroque style, may pagka-Renaissance. Ayan o. So ito yung center square nila here in Genoa, Italy. Behind me is the gate of Genoa. So hanapin natin yung bahay ni Colombo. Hey guys, this is the famous house of Christopher Colombo. Yes, the famous explorer in the world. Ay, ganoon ba? So guys, ito yung cathedral nila here in Genova. So yung design guys, as you observe, talaga may pagka Baroque style, may pagka Renaissance and so guys, try natin yung mga pastry dito sa Genova, which is ito yung mga pinakasikat nila. Try natin yung pistachio, ayun. One order please, this one. Yeah, pistachio. So yun na nga. Nahihirapan tayong kumain. Guys, welcome to Milan.
Welcome to Milano.
This trip is more on soul-searching. We keep visiting some cathedrals here in Europe. And this is gonna be the 7th one. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to Italy. So this is the castle. Yeah, this one. Yung pinakadulo guys, yan yung cathedral. Oh my God guys, ang daming tao. You see, the cathedral, which is one of the most iconic places here in Madrid. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. 1, 2, 3, go!
Not everyone can become a great artist, but a great artist can come from anywhere.
Hello everybody, this is Herman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So we are currently now in Switzerland, Lugano, Switzerland. Time check, it's 5:10 in the evening here in Switzerland. 5 o'clock na pero medyo madilim na. So yun na nga, galing lang natin ng Italy. This is the view of Switzerland. Ayan. Sayang gabi kami dumadaan. Guys, welcome to Switzerland. So yun na nga, mararating lang namin. Time check, it's 6 in the evening. Sayang, hindi natin makita yung lake ng Lugano or Lugano Lake over there.
Lakeside, enter in the old part and like stay here and come back.
There's a Burger King over there.
We continue.
Can you text already the hotel?
Guys, welcome to Switzerland. And this time we are now in Lugano Arte Cultura. Oh my god, Chanel. Art here is different, quite expensive. You see, it's made of, is that gold? Guys, this is Dondi Art. Dondi Art Gallery. Grabe. Hello everyone, good evening. It's 7:12 in the evening here in Switzerland. We just arrived. Then, ito na nga, pumasok na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa room natin, which is room 210. So, this is the door behind me. Then, pagpasok mo, ito on my left side, we have a mirror, selfie mirror. Then, as you go in there, guys, on my left side, we have the toilet and bath. This is the bathtub. Ayan. Ayan. We have water closet naman. Then, this is the vanity mirror, I think. Ayan. Malinis siya, guys. Tapos, mabango. Tapos, hindi siya, kulob. Unlike doon sa last na, kung saan kami nagstay sa, sa Italy. I don't like it. Napakaluma. Carpeted siya. Tapos, umaamoy siya. Ito, guys, sobrang linis. Talaga makikita mo na bago pa yung hotel nila. So guys, we are now in my Admiral Hotel or Hotel Admiral. Yes. So this is my bed, which is the king size bed. Good for 2 persons. That's my luggage, which is pinatong ko na dyan. They have a console table naman. Ayan. Kung pwede ka mag-study or mag-laptop dyan. Ayan. They have coffee maker, guys. Ayan. Hindi natin magamit. Sayang kasi we're just here for, one day lang, for night lang. So, yan. Ang linis, guys. Ang bango. Tapos, ayan, napaka-luxurious siya. And I think, magiging maganda yung tulog natin. So, for now, magbibihis muna tayo. Mag-unpack tayo. I-fix natin yung mga susuotin natin for tomorrow kasi sobrang lamig dito, guys. Pagpasok ko pa lang or paglabas namin ng bus para mag-night tour kanina, talagang, alam mo, hindi mo talaga kakayanin kung wala kang makapal na jacket. So, kailangan talaga mag-thermal. I'm also thinking if I could join with the group when it comes to going up on the hill kasi may aakyatin kami. Tapos, parang magre-range into negative 15 yung lamig. So, pinagsabihan na kami ng tour guide namin na to those who has a condition when it comes to such as, for example, asthma, you better consider yourself first if you are planning to join kasi sobrang lamig talaga. So, alam mo naman pag nilalamig tayo, doon nagtitrigger yung asthma ko. I hope we have a good condition to be part of the group. So guys, pinilan tayo ng pagkain ni Dan, which is my friend. Kasama ko sa tour. It's a salmon tuna. This one. With rice. I love it. So, ito na nga. Kain na tayo. Namiss ko magpansit canton, mag-boiled egg. Oh my God. ang 5th day na it's 7th day here in Europe. At the moment, we are now in Switzerland. This is rice. But still, I miss the Philippines rice. Yung rice nila dito, hindi masyado luto. Parang hilaw. So salty. Ang sarap siya, guys. Tapos mali ko lang, nilagay ko lahat ng sauce niya ito. Kaya naging salty siya.
The next day.
Hello guys! So nasa Switzerland na tayo. We're still in the middle of Switzerland. Papasok na kami but now we're having a wash break. For this time we can have a coffee or use the toilet. At the same time, pwede kang mag-me time. We are only given 15 minutes. Ayoko na masyadong gumastos kasi may mga emergency food na tayo. But now it's nagmamask ako kasi baka mag-trigger yung asthma natin. So guys, that's the view. That's our bus. 9:55 in the morning and it's -1 here in Switzerland. So yan. Yun yung makikita mo dito guys. Wala pa talaga yung yung pupuntahan natin. We still have 2 hours. 2 hours to drive going to our destination, which is the highest peak of Switzerland. Do you know that here in Switzerland, they have 4 languages? They speak French, Italian, Spanish, and Switzerland language. Ayan, makikita nyo guys. Ito sneak peek lang to sa pupuntahan natin guys, which is the highest peak of Switzerland. Ayan ang daming cows. You see that? Balot na balot tayo. Guys, nandito tayo sa terminal ng Grindelwald, which is we are gonna buy ticket, paakyat. Toilet is over there. Everybody's gonna have their own or a wash break. This is me guys. And kakatapos lang natin mag-wash break. This is the departure time. We're gonna have the bus, then afterwards train, tapos magki-cable car tayo. So check natin kung kaya natin. Because we have a condition, ina-asthma tayo. So kung kaya nila, we are gonna try to, to be part of the group. Hey man, hello everybody. This is Herman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? So, it's so cold. We are now in top of Europe, which is the Switzerland, and aakyatin natin yung pinakamataas na mountain dito sa Switzerland. And you would really observe everything is good. Kung may snow, everything is good on white. You see that? Yung mountain covers by white snow.
Hi friend!
Yes! My opulent friend.
Hello po! Kamusta po kayo lahat dyan?
Yeah.
Hi!
Hey.
Subscribe to his channel. We're here.
Yeah. It's so cold, guys. I love it. You know, hindi pa tayo nakakaakyat pero I'm starting the vibes and you know, I'm gonna promise myself to go back here again and you know, it's really unforgettable. This one, you would observe the houses here in Switzerland. It's different from the Philippines. It's small, but you know, they are rich people. Unlike in the Philippines, pag mayaman ka, dapat may mansion ka. Pero dito, tingnan. Yun. Yes. Pero dito yung mga mayayaman, very simple lang yung bahay nila, guys. Do you know that here in Switzerland, they have a particular criteria which is you should have at least €500,000 or you know, just to be included in this magnificent country. Guys, pababa tayo, which is, you know, we will be transferring to another train. So this time, so come on, guys. We are now in the second stop, which is really one of the. Guys, wala dong aalis ha. This is really an iconic place. You would see a lot of people are traveling just to come here in Switzerland. Hey.
Hi, welcome to Switzerland.
Welcome to Switzerland. That was really unforgettable having that kind of moment. You know,
Sobrang lamig.
we did
guys.
some stupid things, but you know, it's good.
Meet our fashionista.
Yeah. Hi.
Hey, nasaan tayo?
Hey.
Hello po.
Yeah, it's our first time here. And probably we will be back here. Okay, so we will be catching the second train. Okay, oh my God. Wrong decision, guys. I wear my sneaker. Are we gonna have our lunch? I think, guys, that's us. Okay, so this is our train. We're going down.
Where
Come on,
to?
guys.
Because we need to scan our ticket again going back down. If you like tour guide, you can scan here the code. And on your mobile phone you can have introduction because
Welcome to Top of Europe, guys. Nahihilo ako, friend. Ako din. Alam mo yung feel mo na talagang manipis yung hangin. Kaya bawal gumalaw ng very active. Or bawal kasi baka mahilo tayo. Nahihilo na kami. Dami palang tao. Kain tayo, guys. Nahihina. So guys, nakakahilo, promise. Bawal gumalaw ng gumalaw. Kasi baka mahimatay tayo dito. Tapos, as in, iba talaga yung feeling. Thank you. Ang nipis ng hangin.
Ano sa'yo?
Noodles
Dito
sa
na lang
akin.
muna. Bayaran.
Sige. So we're just gonna have noodles and coffee. Kasi pumunta kami dito, hindi pa kami nakakain. Sige, doon na lang. Akala ko ako lang yung mga nakaka-experience ng ganun. But, oh my God, yung mga kasama din pala namin. Hilo na din. So pagpasok nyo, may restaurant naman. Pwede kayong mag-order. May cup noodles sila. Ayun. Nahihilo ako.
Gumagalaw nga, no?
Ito na guys, yung top of Europe ko. Nahihilo ng lahat. Top of Europe.
But I can manage the food. Not wearing gloves.
May kayong dalawa, higa kayo sa snow!
Sea of clouds. It's the sea of clouds.
So guys, nasa top of Europe pa rin tayo. Which is, ang daming pumupunta. Every 2 hours, dapat makaalis na tayo kasi magpapalit ng ibang batch na naman. So, we are planning to go out mga 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, this time guys, behind me, in this glass, you could observe a lot of glaze, the ice, the mountains. You see that guys? Napaka-perfect niya. It's our first time to encounter this kind of, marvelous nature. And you would really appreciate how ice or snow could form into this magnificent view. Sayang hindi tayo pwede pumunta sa taas. And guys, I was really so flabbergasted because when I came upstairs, I was so shocked kasi talagang hindi mo talaga kakayanin yung lamig. It's really hard. In my case, I have a condition kasi, so it's gonna be so hard for me. Muntik na tayo mag-pass out. So hindi ko na lang tinuloy. Tsaga-tsaga na lang tayo muna. Ito si Doc. Hi, ma'am.
Dito lang kami, may mga higa, may mga
Oo, hindi namin kinaya yung sa taas. Let's go. Come on, guys.
9, 10, 11, 12.
So, guys, pabalik na kami. And the thing is, we are frustrated. Hindi kami nakaakyat. And yung tour namin is, yun yung pinaka-last. Diba? Which is dapat may allotment lang na binibigay sa amin na pwede kaming magstay. Kaya hindi natin nasulit na matagal. So lahat nagmamadali. Kahit yung staff ng mga staff nila umuwi na din. Dapat walang maiwan dito kahit isa. So we are now arriving in the first stop. We will be having another train. Oh my God. The snow, guys. Ay. Come on, guys. Naglagay tayo ng salompas kasi sakit ulo kanina. Ay hilo tayo. Ito naman yung sobrang lamig. Ang hirap ng may hika talaga. Sayang. Guys, so, ayan o. Pure na snow talaga. Oh my God. Woo! Woo! Ha! Woo! Ah! Ha! Guys, sobrang lamig. Oh, let's make it fast. Oh, yeah. Come here. Hi guys, nakahawak na ako ng snow. Oh my God. Talagang maliwanag pa rin. Mas yes. May imbagag na tayo. Go, go, go! It's gonna be our last day here. So, you know, we have to enjoy every moment. Because every moment is another chance. A chance for her to...
At least meron ako ipapasa sa'yo, girl. Gusto talaga. Hindi yan ang gusto ko.